You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, we've got a Milwaukee, and I'm trying to read the catalog number. I believe it is a 2828-20. So it's a Milwaukee 18-volt trimmer, and you may be struggling to figure out how to restring your trimmer. It's not super hard, but it does take a little bit of figuring out. So really all you're going to do, you're going to take your Milwaukee head off, and there's two tabs on the side here. We'll start from scratch. Two tabs on the side, you're going to pop those out, and that should give you access to view the interior here. And on this, you're going to find there are some holes in this little thing, and if you spin it around a little bit here, there we go, you're going to spin this part and you'll be able to find the holes in there. So you can see there's a port right straight through there. You're going to line that up, and you may be able to see it actually has an align section, so you really don't even need to take this thing off all the way. Once you align it to that position on the head, you can actually just take it from right here. You're just going to get the align to match with the hole there, and then you're just going to take your string and you're going to go straight through it. So here we're going to align it first, make sure it's good to go. We're going to push our string through, and you're going to cut 20 feet or so of string, however much you want to go. You just pass it through like so. It'll come out the other side. Very easy to do, and I like to use a fence to have something to prop it on. So we'll just go here and pull that string all the way through, and you can get it kind of be about halfway is good. Go ahead and pull it all the way through. You want a nice balance there on half and half essentially. Okay, so a little bit heavy on this side, so I'm going to pull just a little bit more. There you go. All right, so our string is balanced. And now we're just going to go to town with the turning function. So we got it locked in, and we're just going to bring our head right up here to the top, and all we got to do is just turn him clockwise, and it's going to start sucking that string in. As you can see, we got that spring on the inside for the bump head action, and we're good to go as it quickly rides that string in. And this is not just this Milwaukee trimmer, a lot of the Milwaukee trimmers work like this. They have that kind of speed head action and very easy to thread. You can leave a little bit and your cutoff will do its work and chop it off. So we'll go ahead and give them a run here. Just like that, our Milwaukee brushless string trimmer is good to go, and we're ready to go string trim. So you've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Settings, got a fast setting. If you enjoyed this video, here are a couple more YouTube things you might like. Thanks again for watching.